today we're gonna hit this deadlifts. I do also on Friday. I probably will not have a video on Friday, but one of the young dudes that I work with wants to come and train. I know we're hitting back and buys, so I'm probably deadlifting on Friday a little bit. I don't know how heavy this dude can go, and I only have 45 pounds, so I can't really go heavy in the garage. But we're going to see what this young dude got. We're going to probably do deadlifts. We're probably going to do some rows. I know for a fact we're going to do one of the exercises I'm doing today, which is T-bar row, except for basically we're going to do like kind of like good mornings, kind of like this. We're also going to do a one-legged as well, so kind of like this. With lightweight, obviously, holding on to the one end with one arm. Because again, we're working unilateral. Unilaterally, man, I can't talk today. Because I don't just want him just to get a good upper back. I want him to get that lower back as well. As most people will tell you, lower back is very important. Because lower back is where you get a lot of injuries from. In 1 second, guys, I am going to turn on my light, as I realized that it didn't plug in right. So we're going to plug this in and turn this on, and you guys will probably see me better for this video. Boom. Brighten up everything. Now, I don't know if you guys you can hardly see the bar, but we're going to hit this. We also are going to hit the stones. We probably won't hit the stones on Thursday or on Friday, but we'll see. But let's get this going. I got Strength Cartel in my ear right now. Big boy talking to me. I am going to be using chalk here in a minute. We're going to hit this for probably 4, roughly. Maybe 5. We'll see. We're going to get like 7 sets of this though. So, 7 sets of 5. Let's go. Yeah. That's not feeling too bad. Sumo feels weird. So, feeling really weird. I haven't sumoed in a few weeks. So, you can definitely tell. Trying to sharpen my hands a little bit. Chalk is really, gets messy, but why it's good to be in the garage. Try not to breathe the chalk in. Alright. CT gonna talk about Grandpa Mule. Alright. Let's hit this second set though. That's still a light. That's good. 5 is feeling light. I don't know. That's feeling light. I'm happy about that. I might have to go to the gym and lift a little heavy later today. I don't know. But this used to actually be pretty hard to do. This ain't that hard to do. Cool. The chalk's messing my hands up, but let's go. We got 7 sets, so we got a lot to go. But after 2 sets, it's pretty light. I don't know what my back looks like. So, let's see. CT. I'm sorry. CT story about Grandpa Mule always gets me. Grandpa Mule. And you watch CT Fletcher, y'all know about Grandpa Mule. I want to be just like Grandpa Mule one day. Yep. Just like Grandpa Mule one day. Three sets in. 4 more to go. Trying to get this done kind of quick. The lady wants to go have breakfast. So, let's get this. Fourth set. Woo! I will say, really cool to have 245 on the bar and I can grip it. You guys remember after 225, I couldn't grip the bar. And now 245 and I'm able to grip the bar. That is super happy for me. I am going to change this song though. So you guys are going to see me close up. Hi, what's going on? Nah, come on. There you go. The Hawk Washington song. Talking about his life. Goliath. You're gonna kill me. I know. But I'm gonna die a lion. The beast. I think I'm 4 sets in. 3 more. there's something about this story of the Hawk Washington that just, yep. I know what it's like to be weak. So as I am strong, more set. I'm strong enough to do it now. Yep. Sorry guys, those last few sets, that song just puts me in a different headspace. A lot of reasons for that, but whatever. That's 7 sets. I'm gonna cut this video for a minute so I can get ready for rows, do barbell rows, dumbbell rows, And then 2 different types of good mornings. One with the T-bar row. I'm going to explain why I'm doing that. And then dumbbell. T-bar good mornings, and then dumbbell good mornings. But we'll get into that in a second. Let me switch this weight out and get everything ready, okay? All right, I'll see y'all in a second. What's going on? All right, so what we're going to do here, got 100 pounds on this barbell. That's my 1-inch barbell. I will have to be switching out this one clip because I can't find my other one that fits my 1-inch barbell. It's somewhere around here, but the one that I did grab is rusted to where it won't go on. It will go on my dumbbells though, so we're going to have to figure something out there. Maybe some WD-40 just to get it where it spins again. But I got like a runny nose, but we're going to get this done. The stones I am going to do later on today. I'm going to get the rows done and the good mornings done because my fiance wants to go to breakfast. Definitely want to go to breakfast with her. So the stones will come when we get back from breakfast. But right now, we're going to get the bulk of our workout done right now. Like I said, for the stones, we're going to try the 180 today. We're going to try to get it off the ground. And I'm trying to get it in my lap. Probably won't, but we're going to at least give it a try. You know what I mean? You got to give it a run. If you're wondering what I'm listening to now, is Rocky, Eye of the Tiger. Because I am hyped right now. Let's go. Oh, we're going to go for like 6 reps here. And I will only have 30 pounds for the bar or for the dumbbell because we're not going to use the bench. I'm going to actually try to stay here and move and really get that stretch and that flex. But yeah, let's go. Rising up. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up. I'm sorry, this song gets me in my back when I used to get in the ring. If you can't tell, my form is very crabby right now. Very unpolished to what it used to be. But I'm not swinging through here. I'm doing more of this and not with my legs. So I'm not stepping in and swaying with it. But let's get the second side done. Best part of the gym is finding a song like this that just gets you hyped. All right. This must be a song from Creed, but I like it. Oh yeah, this is Nicki Minaj, so this is definitely from Creed. Again, this music just... What?
I love you.
What's up?
I love you.
I love you. Almost done. I got rows. Got one more set of rows and then good mornings. 3 sets.
Okay.
You want to say hi to the YouTube?
No,
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Okay.
Trying to finish this up.
Okay.
I love her. Alright. Let's get this third set done. Really trying to stay straight with that, like this, and not come up. Another song from the 80s. I cannot think of what the song is called though. You guys see I do this too much. I want to pull here. Kind of why I'm doing this. Alright. One more edit, guys, where I change out the weights and then we'll be pretty much done. Like I said, good mornings. 3 sets of 2 different kinds. I'm explaining why I'm doing what I'm doing, but alright. See you guys in the next edit. Alrighty, guys. The last part of this part. Like I said, the stones and I'm going to do wrist rolls. We'll be after work, after breakfast. So we have 30 pounds for, they're kind of like good mornings, but they're a little different because they're one leg, so I am going to stick one leg out. I'm going to come down to the center as much as I can and then come up, okay? Like I said, we're working the unilateral. We're also going to do good mornings with both feet on the ground. But again, coming down center and coming up to about here. We're not going to try to be here with the T-bar row. We're going to try to be right here. We're going to see if this T-bar row works. Because I don't really have anything to lock it into. So I'm using the side of a bench, which kind of makes me have to really use good form, which is great. But I can't load it like I want to. Still working on that. Maybe when I make my stance for my stones, I can make a little brace in the side of that. I don't know yet. It's a little far ahead of time. Like I said, I got to get more weights and some sandbags before I really worry about anything else like that. But yeah, let's get this done so I can eat the breakfast because I'm getting really hungry. Again, feet are going to try to be on the ground. Hang on, guys. Okay. So I'm actually going to do it somewhat sumo because that's how I deadlift. You can do it here. No real issue with that as long as your back stays straight and you don't arch. And man, I feel like I got snot coming out, but I don't. Again, I'm going to do it sumo. You can do it here. The biggest thing is keeping your back straight, pushing your hips out, and doing a good morning. Okay? Good mornings, a lot of times we're doing barbells up here. I don't prefer that. I like holding it here. Ready? Believe it or not, this is harder than it looks. It feels light, but to keep everything in line is very hard for me. I don't have a very strong lower back. I will have to watch the video and see if I did proper form. I can never really tell on good mornings because I like to do this. And I'm really trying to think of sitting up straight. But let's go ahead and get this one done. 6 reps. Let's switch arms actually. I like it this way better. But that does not hit the center like I wanted to. Trying to work anti-rotation. If you notice when I do those, I kind of lean like this. Like this. I'm trying to work on that. Not doing that. That shows a weakness in me. Means my core and whatnot is not strong enough to keep me centered. That's kind of why I'm doing these. Not to mention hamstring, glutes, and lower back. My weak points. Alright. I feel like I did an extra rep with that, but whatever. We hit this again. T-bar. Want some tea? With some T-bar? I need to go to bed. Oop, sumo. And my lower back feels that. Which tells me I'm not firing from here like I should. Something to work on. One more set, guys, and then we're done. bicep there. Last rep. I gotta keep that T-bar row. Well guys, that's it for this part. Like I said, stones and wrist roll-ups are going to be after breakfast. So I will see you guys when I get back from breakfast. See you guys.